Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Praising Gold TV, and today we will be discussing extensively on the animal phyla. Animal phyla are groups of animals that share similar body structures and evolutionary relationships. There are over 30 recognized animal phyla, each with unique characteristics and features. In today's video, we will explore the different animal phyla in detail. Number 1. Chordata. The phylum Chordata includes vertebrates, which are animals with a backbone, and some invertebrate animals without a backbone. Characteristics of chordates include 1. A notochord, a flexible rod-like structure that provides support and stiffness to the body. The notochord is a key characteristic of chordate and is thought to have evolved as a precursor to the vertebrate column. A dorsal hollow nerve cord. A dorsal hollow nerve cord that runs along the dorsal side of the body. Dorsal hollow nerve cord is a characteristic of chordate and is thought to have evolved as a way to coordinate movement and sensory information. Pharyngeal slits. Openings in the pharynx, which is the throat, that are used for feeding and respiration. Pharyngeal slits are a characteristic of chordate and are thought to have evolved as a way to increase the surface area of the pharynx and improve feeding efficiency. A post-anal tail, a tail that extends beyond the anus. The post-anal tail is a characteristic of chordate and is thought to have evolved as a way to improve balance and coordination. A well-developed column, a body cavity that contains the internal organs. The column is a characteristic of chordate and is thought to have evolved as a way to provide support and protection to internal organs. Chordates are a diverse group of animals that include humans and other vertebrates and some invertebrates like tunicates and lancelets. They can be found in a wide range of habitats, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and land. Examples of chordates include humans, other vertebrates such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, tunicates such as sea quoits, lancelets such as amphiosus. Characteristic of chordates: bilateral symmetry. Chordates have a body that is symmetrical on both sides of a central axis. This means that the left and right side of the body are mirror image to each other. Segmentation. Chordates have a body that is divided into repeating parts. This means that the body is made up of a series of similar segments, each with its own set of muscles, bones, and other tissues. Development. Chordates undergo a unique pattern of embryonic development, which involves the formation of a blastula and a gastrula. The blastula is a hollow ball of cells that forms during the early stage of embryonic development, while the gastrula is a complex structure that forms later in development. 2. Arthropoda. The phylum Arthropoda includes insects, arachnids, and crustaceans. Characteristics of arthropods include a segmented body. Arthropods have a body that is divided into repeating parts. This means that the body is made up of a series of similar segments, each with its own set of muscles, bones, and other tissue. Jointed appendages. Arthropods have limbs that are connected by joints. This means that the limbs are able to move freely and are not rigidly attached to the body. A hard exoskeleton. Arthropods have an external covering that provides protection and support. The exoskeleton is made up of a tough flexible material called the chitin. Multiple limbs. Arthropods have multiple limbs that are used for movement, feeding, and sensory reception. The number and arrangement of limbs vary depending on the specific type of arthropod. Arthropods are a large and diverse group of animals that can be found in a wide range of habitats, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and land. Examples of arthropod: insects such as beetles, flies, bees, butterflies, and ants. Arachnid such as spiders, scorpions, and ticks. Crustaceans such as crabs, lobster, shrimps, and crayfish. Characteristic of arthropod: bilateral symmetry. Arthropods have a body that is symmetrical on both sides of a central axis. This means that the left and right side of the body are mirror images of each other. Segmentation. Arthropods have a body that is divided into repeating parts. This means that the body is made up of a series of similar segments, each with its own set of muscles, bones, and other tissues. Development. Arthropods undergo a unique pattern of embryonic development, which include the formation of a blastula and a gastrula. The blastula is a hollow ball of cells that forms during the early stage of embryonic development, while the gastrula is a more complex structure that forms later in development. Examples of arthropod: insects such as beetles, flies, bees, butterflies, and ants. Arachnids such as spiders, scorpions, ticks, crab. Crustaceans such as crab, lobster, shrimps, and crayfish are all examples of arthropod. Arthropod body structure. Arthropods have a unique body structure that is characterized by a segmented body, jointed appendage, and a hard exoskeleton. The body is divided into repeating parts, each with its own set of muscles, bone, and other tissue. The jointed appendage allows for flexible and movement, while the hard exoskeleton provides protection and support. Protection and support. 3. Mollusca. The phylum Mollusca includes squids, octopuses, clams, snails, slugs, oysters, and scallops. Characteristics of mollusks include a soft, unsegmented body. Mollusks have a body that is not divided into repeating parts. A mantle. Mollusks have a layer of tissue that covers the body and produces a shell. A shell. Mollusks have an external covering that provides protection and support. A radula. Mollusks tongue have a tongue-like structure with tiny teeth that is used for feeding. Mollusks are a diverse group of animals that can be found in a wide range of habitats, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and land. Examples of mollusks include squids and octopuses, clams and mussels, snails and slugs, oysters, and scallops. Characteristic of mollusks: bilateral symmetry. Mollusks have a body that is symmetrical on both sides of a central axis. Development of mollusks. Mollusks undergo a unique pattern of embryonic development which involves the formation of a blastula and gastrula. Mollusks body structure. Mollusks have a unique body structure that is characterized by a soft, unsegmented body, a mantle, a shell, and a radula. This body is not divided into repeating parts, and the mantle produces a shell that provides protection and support. The radula is a tongue-like structure with tiny teeth that is used for feeding. Number 4. Echinodermata. The phylum Echinodermata includes starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumbers, and sand dollars. Characteristics of echinodermata include a radially symmetric body, a water vascular system, tube feet. Examples of echinoderms: starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumbers, sand dollars. In conclusion, the animal phylum is composed of various phyla, each with unique characteristics and features. The four phyla discussed in this video, Chordata, Arthropoda, Mollusca, and Echinodermata, represent a diverse range of animals that can be found in various habitats around the world. Okay guys, today I'll be stopping here. Please, if you do like this video, please do share, subscribe, and like this video to see more interesting videos like this. Okay, bye for now.